Welcome to the ABI Snapshot, where we spotlight critical findings and the latest research from our global team of analysts. In this snapshot, we're speaking with Tancred Taylor, IoT Markets Research Analyst at ABI Research. Tancred will answer key questions about his latest research on IoT and supply chain visibility in the pharmaceutical industry. Welcome, Tancred.
Hi, Deb. Nice to be here.
Good. So let's dive in. What are the unique pain points faced within the pharmaceutical supply chain?
Pharmaceutical manufacturers, distributors, and transportation providers all face very unique pain points within their supply chain operations. Products worth around $30 billion is damaged each year, and companies in the pharmaceutical space are concerned about how to control their spend on product packaging, assets, and overhead costs, while simultaneously leveraging serialization and traceability throughout the broader supply chain.
So what's the solution?
These enterprises are looking at asset visibility as a way not only to mitigate costs, but to use as a competitive advantage and to generate higher quality supply chain data, both at an item level and at a network level. In fact, these factors are creating an asset visibility market opportunity in the pharmaceutical industry worth $2.7 billion by 2026.
Wow. So it seems that supply chain visibility is increasingly becoming a priority for enterprise, yes?
Yeah, absolutely. Particularly for those operating in the pharmaceutical industry who face a vast range of challenges, from meeting serialization and transport regulations to reducing product waste and damage.
So in addition to IoT asset tracking, what IoT technologies are involved in supply chain visibility?
Enterprises need to adopt several different technologies to address these challenges, and technology suppliers specializing in just one technology need to understand how to work with the rest of the ecosystem to become leaders in the market. IoT asset tracking will also work alongside digital ID and telematics aggregation technologies to transform supply chain operations.
So how are companies approaching the challenges?
From many different directions. From an IoT perspective, Williard, Controlant, On-Asset Intelligence, Roamby, and Cloudleaf are just some companies examining how to digitize different types of assets to provide real-time tracking and monitoring capabilities. Forkite, Overhaul, Shipio, and Transbuoyant, and many other fast-growing data aggregators are also creating software-only approaches to bring visibility and analytics to shipment lanes and networks. Digital ID providers also like TraceLink, RFXL, or Kessler are a third breed of technology suppliers, enabling serialization and asset visibility in a complex supply chain, which requires aggregation and disaggregation of products at multiple stages. Finally, you've also got packaging providers and pallet poolers who are among those looking to capitalize on the greater perceived value of the in-transit visibility data.
Wow, the opportunity for asset visibility in the pharmaceutical supply chain is enormous.
Yes, it is. So the ecosystem is enabling this visibility and providing value-generating software on top, and it's starting to work out how each tier of the value chain can collaborate with the others in what has up to now been quite a fragmented market. Technology suppliers need to adapt their strategies accordingly to ensure that they can get a large share of the pie.
Good stuff. Thanks so much, Tancred. For a deeper dive into our full AN5352 application analysis report, IoT and supply chain visibility in the pharmaceutical industry, visit abiresearch.com.